So today I am going to talk about English routine. What do I mean by English routine? English routine, it means routine of English. As all other things are there in our routine. We know we do workout, like we read newspaper, or like we watch news channels, we go for walk, like we go for swimming, or like we go for gym and all those things. So that are our daily routine things. So we follow all those routines. All right, you know or not, but you have your own routine, and some people know about this thing, some people don't know. They are doing every day that thing, they are doing that every day, and they know that that's in their routine, so that's okay. So if we talk about English routine, what do we mean by English routine? Do you have your English routine? This is a great question that can change your mindset now towards English language. Do you have your English routine? You have a routine that you get breakfast in the morning. All right, you get that breakfast every day in the morning. In the same way, do you have a routine of English learning? And if you don't have your routine of English learning, it means you are not making that strong. You have a routine of going for workout, you are going for workout and you are making yourself strong. You have a routine for reading newspaper, you are making yourself knowledgeable, you are getting so much information in the morning. You have a routine of going to like gym, or you have a routine of like going to swimming, so you are making your swimming strong. In the same way, if you don't have a routine of learning English, it means you are not making your English learning strong. You are not making your English strong. So what should I do, sir? So what should I do? This is the question. This question comes. So we have to make routine of learning English. No matter what we are studying, if we are weak at grammar, so we should study grammar. If you are weak at vocabularies, you study vocabularies. If you are weak at communication, you practice communication. If you are weak at like anything, like whatever you are learning, so you just have to make the habit of doing that thing. There are different aspects you can work. If you're like reading, writing, yes, so you really work on that. So you know what, that make English your routine now and start working on that and make it a routine, and every day do it. You do it every day as you do all those things in the morning. Not in the morning, in a day you have that the part of your routine that you do it every day. So why don't you make English your routine also? So if you will make English your routine, you will definitely improve it. Yeah, it's guaranteed. As you see, if you are doing workout, you see your body. You are making it strong, you are making it beautiful, you are making it good, powerful. In the same way, if you are reading it, like if you are learning English on daily basis, so no matter what you are reading, something or the other, if you are whatever you are reading, whatever your topic is, you will improve it, you will become strong in it. So if you have no English in your daily routine, it means you are not going to improve it, because it's not our mother tongue. We are not born with it. So it means we have to work on it. So this is a simple thing that I wanted to share in this video. Just make a routine of English language too. As you made so many routines, in the same way, it's my job to tell you all those things. It's my job to give you a different kind of mindset for learning. So I just want to tell you, just add this thing in your routine also, that you have to make the habit of reading English every day, like learning English every day. So like make a good routine of learning English. Thanks for watching this video. Keep watching, keep growing, and do something better every single day.